So there's two reasons why somebody wants to buy a Jag. Number one, and number two. You can't really complain with that. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. As you guys can see, I am not in my studio. I am on vacation, so I did rent out this bad boy, but I got curious to see how much this really does cost to drive on a daily basis. So how much does it really cost to drive a Jaguar F-type on a daily basis through the insurance, gas, brand new, used, lease, finance, whatever it may be? I'm curious to know, to find out how much this costs on a daily basis. So a brand new Jaguar F-type is about 73,000 Canadian dollars. That's right. I am in Canada, so we're gonna do this video in Canadian dollars. If you guys decide to finance this car, it is about 4% interest rate, which is about $14,500 for 72 months. That's gonna cost you around $913. But if you guys decide to lease this car rather than finance it, here in Canada, the interest rate for leasing is about 3%, usually about 36 months, assuming that you will drive this car for 10,000 kilometers on an annual basis. That comes down to $838 a month. But this isn't a brand new Jaguar F-type. It's a 2014 one, 6 years old, and obviously the price does depreciate. Cars do depreciate, and this will be about for 45,000 Canadian dollars, which is not bad. But financing gets a whole lot affordable here. Putting the same 20% down will be around $9,000. For the same 4% interest rate for 72 months will come around $576 a month, which is not bad. But if you guys decide to lease this rather than finance it at the same interest rate of 3% and 36 months, you get about 254 bucks a month, which is honestly pretty nice. So coming to the annual service for the Jaguar F-type, obviously it's not a Toyota. You already know it's going to be pricey. On an annual basis, this is about 1,821 Canadian dollars, making it around $152 a month. And for this used 2014 Jaguar, the annual service, I couldn't really find anything online, and Jaguar wouldn't really tell me anything when I called them, so we can assume it's a bit more pricey. We can assume that it's $2,000 a year, about $166.66 Canadian dollars a month, which is pretty pricey. And you may be wondering, a car as nice as this, what the insurance is? It may be a fortune, right? For a 25-year-old with clean credit, it's only about $345 a month, which is a whole lot cheaper than a Toyota Corolla and a Honda Accord, which is absolutely insane. But for this used 2014 F-type Jaguar convertible, for a 25-year-old with a clean record, it's the same, practically the same insurance, around $345, just a few cents up and down. Now, what we really need to find out is how thirsty and hungry this car can really get.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
Now we made it to the gas station, and today's gas price in Canada is $1.35. But a car like this doesn't go on regular fuel. It goes on Supreme, and on Supreme, it's on $1.56 per liter. Right now, the car is half empty. So whatever we end up here, we're just gonna double it, and that's how much it takes to gas this car up. Let's fuel her up. All right, so we just finished pumping, and a half tank on a Jaguar is about $52 at a price of $1.56. So if we double that, that's gonna be $104 for a full tank in today's price, which is quite pricey. If you're driving this car on a 10,000 kilometer basis annually, that means you have to fill up twice a month on this car, which brings the price to $208. And that's pretty darn pricey. Now that we got all the information we need to see how much this Jaguar F-type costs on a monthly basis, let's go ahead and run through the numbers. To finance a brand new Jaguar F-type is gonna cost you about an upwards of $1,600 a month. But if you guys decide to lease it, it'll be in the mid 1500s. But if you guys decide to get a 2014 Jaguar F-type like this one, on a monthly basis, it should cost you about $1,300 a month. But if you guys lease it, it'll be just below $1,000 a month. Although this is a very expensive car to drive on a monthly basis, there is no arguing that this is one hell of a joyride to drive. If you guys are in Toronto or somewhere in Southern Ontario and are curious to see how this car drives. I did rent this car by a guy named Kumar on Toro. You guys can check the link in the description. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found value in this video, finding out how much this thing costs on a monthly basis. And if you guys did enjoy this, check out these other videos here, 10-year forecast on stocks if you guys are investing in the stock market and are into finance, and to see if you guys want to get rich and buy 10 of these instead of one. You guys can also check out these videos here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video. See ya.